Unpacking the Basics, White Rice in English. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into a common English term that you've likely heard many times, white rice. We'll explore not just what it means, but also how you can use this term in different contexts. Whether you're at a restaurant or reading a recipe, understanding this simple phrase can be quite useful. So, let's get started. White rice refers to a type of rice that has had its husk, bran, and germ removed during the milling process. This leaves behind a white, polished grain that is commonly consumed across the globe. It's known for its longer shelf life and shorter cooking time compared to brown rice, which still contains the bran and germ. While discussing white rice, it's important to note its nutritional aspects. White rice is a carbohydrate-rich food that provides a quick source of energy. However, due to the removal of the bran and germ, it lacks some nutrients found in whole grains like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Some white rice is enriched, meaning certain nutrients are added back after processing. Across different cultures, white rice plays a significant role. In many Asian cuisines, it's a staple food served alongside vegetables and protein. In Western cultures, it often accompanies dishes like stews and grilled meats. Knowing how it fits into various cuisines can help you better understand menu items and recipes. The term, white rice, is mostly used literally, but the word rice can be found in various idioms and phrases. For example, when someone says, "That's rice," they might be referring to something as basic or fundamental, drawing a parallel to how rice is a basic food in many diets. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, white rice, and how you can understand and use it effectively in English. Whether you're ordering a meal or preparing one yourself, this term is a simple yet essential part of culinary vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.